see a Martin design. Woof woof.
So, hi guys, so today we have something very important to discuss. That is nanotape art. What? Okay, it's 3 squishies you can make. Boop, 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 boop. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm just so excited. Let's get started. Whoa! First, we need to let the nanotape crawl out, or the nano stuff crawl out. So, yeah, this came missing, but sorry, I also bought this nanotape because so we can make this. So let's get started. As I said, I just wanna caution to avoid danger of stuff. Vacation tips. From baby safe. Oh my gosh! Okay, everybody knows that. Can't wait to just oh my gosh. Okay, keychains. I have what is this? Okay, nano tape. I have slime. Oh, okay, good. Slime. Yay! Oh, I'm just too excited. Okay. What's this? Okay. And okay. Why do you have a fish? Pet fish. Okay, and then I have some stickers, yay! Woo! Oh yeah, so spring and some stickers. Stickers. I said that already, but I don't know. Ooh. Oh my god, sorry. I really don't know what to start with, but I think. Just made me think that I'm gonna try this thing, and I'm not very sure about everything, but this cup. So I'm gonna try the cup. Okay, I'm gonna try to just peel off. Ooh, that's satisfying. Why is that too sticky? Like, why is that too sticky? Why is that actually so sticky? Ew. I don't know how you do this, but it's pretty strong. I don't know, guys, if you can see this. I'm sorry if you can't see this. It's very dumb of me. Ew, bro. What happened? No. Please. This is not going good. Like, I thought that was being much easier. Where is it? Where did you put it, guys? Guys, can you remember? Okay, here. Oh, I'm blind. Sorry. I'm just a little bit blind sometimes. My eyes don't work. No, I'm joking. I really just don't see them. Why is it sticking on both sides? That's so weird. Sticking like everywhere. Wait, how do they? Huh? It's weird because it's sticky on both sides. I actually think, guys, that I actually like made. So I think I actually had nano tape. No. What is happening? Ugh. It's hard. It's harder than it looks. It's sticky everywhere. And they actually think that you can have the best time with this and have no problem with this. Wow, very smart thing. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the slime, or just open the slime. One sec. Ew. Oh my gosh, what is happening with this slime? Ooh, that was a bubble. How? Ooh, oh my gosh, this is weird. How much would I take? Would I take? wait, this. So as you can see, now I have this little thing going on, and so I'm just gonna take some foam beads, actually, a little bit, not much. I don't want this to be like, boop. And I'm just putting you on the top, and I'm specifically just taking the yellow ones because I think that's gonna not. Oop. Like this. Yeah, that's good. 4 balls is good, maybe. I'm not sure. But now I'm just taking the final step. Wait. Excuse me? Oh my gosh. Yo. Thank you for not criticizing me yet. So, ew. Ew, like, so sticky. I'm getting like, wait a minute. You know, I have this here. I'm just gonna put you on top. And that's the horrible squishy I made. It's too horrible to be alive, even. Like, everything. Ooh, it's very squishy.
So this was the other things I made, and bye!